to my channel. I hope everything is like very fine and well with you guys. You know, everything has been going good. I like times like to do like video for you guys, come up with some great content. So stay tuned and keep on watching. And if you like my videos and my content, click right down here on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and click on the notification bell. Anyway, in today's video I will be making it very short and very clear. I will be talking about this brand since I am guilty of using this luxurious brand. No lie. And you know, a lot of celebrities use it too as well, but I just wanted to like really try like the hype. What is the difference between Nivea cream and La Mer, people? Yes, I will be giving you my honest review between La Mer
and Nivea. Yeah, Nivea. We say Nivea, yeah.
So you guys, let me show you this brand, what I'll be talking about. And right here, this is the La Mer box. Oh, I think I'm not on there. I'm holding it properly like this. This is the moisturizing soft cream inside. We'll be doing a little bit of unboxing. Oh yeah, like this is how it looks. This is like the most bought product from them, I think, is the moisturizing cream. And we have here the neck cream. Yeah, neck and Decollete cream. So it came in this cute box. Where I got this is from Douglas, and I got it for like a really good price. It just looks so luxurious, like with everything inside of it and so on. So this is like how it looks, like very cute, very safety, everything. This is how it looks. So I really like it. So I'm gonna show you guys. And what made me purchase this, I would say, let me tell you guys, I'll be honest, this is my second tube of using this. This is very expensive, like just this alone is very expensive. I will list all the pricing and whatsoever underneath here in the description box. This is like how you open it. It have like a safety cap on top. I don't believe this, like Rihanna used to be using this product here, or maybe still use it, but I'm gonna dab a little bit on it. Is it me or just like other people, when they get like very expensive products, it's just like take a little bit of it. Don't waste it because it's very expensive. So this is actually glass, what I find like really cute. It has, I ain't gonna lie, it smells like a little bit like Nivea. Everybody know how Nivea smells and everything. Nivea could use for everything, but this is like a moisturizing soft cream. And let me tell you guys, I used this in the past, and I know I love my Estee Lauder Day Wear with the SPF inside. This has no SPF inside of it, but this and Nivea has nearly, they have the same scent from my point of view. People don't come for me, don't bash me or anything, but this thing has like the same scent. But here comes the but. The difference is this thing is very hydrating. Like I remember I started using this last year, and I said, you know what, let me switch it up and I will do a review on this product right here. It took me some time, some while to really like test it out and see if it really worked for me or anything. This works amazingly. Let me tell you, do not go and get this luxurious brand or this product from this brand. Get it if you really have intention to try it out, and if it works for you, then you continue pursuing that product. But don't go ahead and take your coins and spend it on this product what you actually don't need, when you know you could get it like for cheaper. That it was just my point of view of it. But back to it, it's very smooth and it's very soft on your skin. And why also a lot of people were saying like this moisturizing cream is particularly not for women of color. Is not true. It's not true. It's not true at all. The cream can be used for everybody. I bought one of my good friends one of this cream. I bought my mom this cream, and they use it. Said it works perfectly, you know, and any woman of color or any type of skin. What I do notice is that it really keeps your skin moisturized and hydrated throughout the day. When I come home and I'm ready to wash my face and stuff, my skin still feels the same way when I don't wear makeup. my skin still feels the same way like how I put on that cream. With the Nivea cream now, since I tend to have oily skin and combination skin, oh my god, like I was using Nivea cream and that broke me out bad, and then I stopped using it because it's oily. Fatty and oil is the same thing. It have like contains oil inside of it, which means that it oil slap on, this heavy cream is slap on, and it have like all this oil inside, and then my skin is oily. But I look like a real frying pan because that threw me off so bad. So I would say yes, it's very good. The next thing what I will be showing you guys, but it's very delicate, I like to say delicate, it's the neck Decollete concentrate cream. So this is this, and I would say a little bit goes a very long way, and it's true. This one has nothing in it. This smells already luxurious. So this is one of my first luxurious brand. I would say one of my most expensive things I ever bought for skincare would be from MER. And oh, that came off like that. I didn't really notice that. And this is like the neck and Decollete concentrate. I use this too a couple of times. Most likely I would say women of age, when I always learn from my mom, moisturize your neck, moisturize your neck, moisturize your neck, because they always say when a woman's starting to age, where do you see it first? On her neck and on her hands. So instead of using it on, I use it on my Decollete and I use it on my hands. And I mean, this just like refine the fine lines on your hand. It refines it like really good, and on your neck it feels like if it's like tightening and then making everything very smooth. This is one of the products what I bought because like in some pictures, or who knew me, like that we said a couple of 2 years or 3 years ago, I had extremely dark, let me just go up a little bit, extremely dark spots here. And with this bad boy right here, I like to say bad boy, with this with this concentrate right here, and with a lot of help of clean eating and everything what is going on, it paid out the marks really good. So I would say yes, and I would say no. It's because you're actually paying your coins for what you're getting. You understand? You're getting a very good moisturizing cream, what is super good. I find this cream works very well for me in winter time because it's, how should I say it, it just keeps me hydrated. And with the dry air in winter, even if like you're indoor and you have on your heating system and everything, it's a dry air inside and it's not a humid air inside. So definitely this right here, if you want to like have like a nice Decollete, you know, everything smooth, no fine lines, just invisible, go ahead and pursue the certain products from MER. So I will definitely buy other products from MER because I find I actually get what I paid for, and it's very expensive. And I will list down below what I paid for this kit. This kit, I don't think they have it anymore. It was just like a special going on and stuff. But the packaging, like I said, you guys, the packaging is very cute, very delicate, and I keep it like this inside because I find it's just like very neat, you know, and everything going on very good here. So guys, if you like this video, click right down here on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down in the comment section if you want to ask me other questions about MER and everything else going on. You feel free to do that, comment down in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much, love you, and stay tuned. Bye.